What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. Y'all already know who it is. And if you don't, this is Cool Ray Valentine. You done pulled up to the block market. This is Hood Money Investing. I wanted to take some time to show y'all what's going on with GameStop because, man, I've been getting flack for the last month and a half, people hitting me, asking me what's going on with GameStop. And I told them based on the news coming out and the shareholders feeling strongly about the direction GameStop is going in and the work that Ryan Cohen is doing. I happen to say it, and I'll say it again, that this was going to put more attention on GameStop, causing another squeeze, potentially taking it higher. Now, I did say I don't think GameStop will, stay $1,000 if it happens to squeeze that high or above 500. But I do think in the long haul GameStop will be over $500 to $1,000 if Ryan Cohen does exactly what we believe he can do, and his team, because he has, it looks like he's building a dream team around GameStop. And I don't really think people have still grasped the potential based on the gaming industry. It's big right now, and you have a lot of different countries and things like that are involved. I mean, you have China. I mean, you have India. I mean, it's ridiculous. I've been talking about Doya International and Immersion and just different stocks and companies and things that you have a lot going on, man. You have Twitch, and it's a lot, man. And unless you do your homework and you know what's going on with the quantum upgrades and what's going on with the digital gaming and all that, and how it's just a lot going on. And excuse me right now because I'm trying to pay attention to GameStop and what's taking place. But I wanted to take some time to show you beginner investors and traders like myself what's going on, because they said GameStop wouldn't go up again. It wouldn't run up again. And as you can see, we are running up again. It might touch $400 today. And by the end of the week, let's see if we can reach $1,000. There are a lot of rules and regulations supposedly about to be set in place. So let's see if the little guy happens to come out on the good end. Let's see what happens. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I'm still in it. I'm still in GameStop. I've deepen my position in other portfolios, and I just want to keep learning, keep building, keep growing. I'm not getting big-headed. I'm not getting above and beyond myself. There are people out there, like I said before, that make tens of thousands of dollars, 50, 60, $70,000 plus, and they'll be ready to run to a store. Me, I'm so focused on trying to figure out how to educate myself with financially, that's all I can focus on, is how to help my money. I mean, how to learn how to make my money work for me, again, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Forgive me for rambling. Right now, GameStop is booming. We touched 336, and right now we just want to see where it goes, man. I've been holding, went from 300 shares down to 70 shares, back up to 100 and something shares. So I've been, scalping and taking profit and jumping back in. And, GameStop has taught me a lot, man. It's taught me to be patient. It's taught me to, if you're not really feeling it, get out, but, I really believe in the stock, and that's why I haven't sold off my position. So, I'm going to sit and see what happens. Now, I don't think it's going to go to zero, because everybody's saying, that has diamond hands, or the Gorilla Gang talking about, if you're not holding, if you're not holding when we go to the moon, don't, if you're not willing to hold, if it hits zero, don't hold, or complain when it goes to the moon. And I'm like, shit, I refuse to let it go back down to zero. Lose all those profits. But I just don't think that's going to happen at all. GameStop is definitely building a strong core, and we can only expect good things from the future from GameStop, in my opinion. So once again, to all those beginner investors and traders out there like myself, I hope you learn as much as possible. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, or investment guru, nothing like that. I'm just a beginner investor and trader that's been doing this for about 3 years. As far as investing, trading for about almost a year now. And, I've had some significant gains. And with that, I just wanted to share that with people that are a little skeptical about the stock market and investing, and people that are beginners like myself that are trying to find different tricks and strategies, to further their investment career. So, that's just pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. This is Cool Ray Valentine. You tuned in to Hood Money Investing, and I'm out of here.